but let me introduce myself. I'm Aravind Babu, working in a medical solution company in USA currently. So that's my short introduction. Unlocking success. Unlocking your potential is like finding superpower within you, makes you special. It means discovering what you are good at, using it to do the things. Just like a superhero, unlocking your potential helps you become the best of yourself. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and distinguished guests. In today's competitive world, business need to find a way to ahead and achieve the goals. Effective sales and marketing strategies coming. They're like an engine to growth, help attract customers, and bring in revenue. During this presentation, we will explore the key principles and techniques that can help us succeed. We will look how to persuade customers, focus on their needs, and use the latest technologies to make our sales and marketing efforts even more powerful. Thank you all for your precious time to being here, and let's begin this eye-opening presentation. Importance of sales and marketing talents. Sales and marketing talents are crucial for business success. They drive revenue growth, expand the customer base, and create brand awareness. Here, why they are important. Revenue generation. Sales and marketing professionals find potential customers, explain the value of products, and close deals which bring in money for the company. Customer acquisition and retention. They use strategies like studying the market, finding the leads, and running targeted campaigning to attract key customers. They also focus on keeping existing customers happy through loyalty programs and effective communication. Market awareness and competitive edge. Sales and marketing experts stay up to date on market trends and what customers like, what competitors are doing. This helps them business find opportunities and develop strategies to stay ahead. Brand building and awareness. They create messages and materials to make the brand more visible. When customers have positive experiences and see consistent messages, it builds a good reputation for the brand. Collaboration and alignment. Sales and marketing teams work closely together, sharing information and data to improve their strategies and performances. Business growth and expansion. Skilled professionals view new groups of customers, explore opportunities, and develop effective sales strategies, which helps the business grow and gain more of the market. In conclusion, having talented sales and marketing professionals is crucial for a business to succeed. They help generate revenue, attract and keep customers, stay aware of market, build the brand, and contribute to overall business growth. Investing in and supporting these professionals have a big impact on company's success and position in the market. Key qualities of successful, precious sales and marketing professionals. Sales and marketing professionals need specific qualities to succeed their roles. Here are some important qualities that contribute to their success. Strong communication skills. Good communication is essential. Sales and marketing professionals should express their ideas clearly, listen actively to customers, and tailor their messages to content with their target audience. Persuasiveness. These professionals need to persuade and influence others. They should be skilled at presenting the value of their products and services and convincing the customers of their benefit. Adaptability. The sales and marketing landscape is always changing. Professionals in this field must be open to new strategies, technologies, and market trends and willing to be adjust their approach accordingly. Customer-oriented mindset. Successful sales and marketing professionals prioritize their needs to their customers. They strive to understand their target audience, empathize with their challenges, and provide tailored solutions to meet their specific requirement. Results driven. These professionals focus on achieving concrete results. They set clear goals, create action plans, and use strategies to drive revenue growth, acquire customers, and expand the market share. Resilience. The sales and marketing field can be tough, ask me in practical. With rejections, setbacks, resilient professionals can bounce back, maintain a positive attitude, and persistently pursue their goals. Strategic thinking. Sales and marketing professionals need to think strategically to create effective campaigns and sales tactics. They analyze market trends, competition, and customer behavior to develop comprehensive strategies aligned with the business goals. Relationship building. Building strong relationship with the customers is crucial for long-term success. Sales and marketing professionals should be skilled to cultivate trust, establishing rapport, and maintaining ongoing connections with the precious clients. Tech savviness. Technology plays a significant role in modern sales and marketing practices. Professionals in these fields should be comfortable with the digital tools, customer relationship management, CRM systems, marketing automation platforms, social media, and analytics to optimize their effort to achieve their results. Continuous learning. Sales and marketing professionals should have a growth mindset and thirst for the learning. They stay updated with the industry trend and attend conferences, participate in the training programs, and seek feedback to improve their skills and stay competitive. It's important to remember that everyone brings their unique strengths and experience to sales and marketing. Being adaptable and leveraging your strengths is crucial because the field is always changing. The art of persuasion. We'll see the examples. Storytelling, an example. A clothing brand uses storytelling to showcase their journey of its garments. From the sourcing sustainable materials to skilled artisans who handcraft each piece. By sharing these narratives, the brand not only promotes its eco-friendly practices, but also connect emotionally with the customers who value the ethical fashion. Active listening. Example, a customer support representative listens attentively to a frustrated customer concerned about his faulty product. By actively listening, the representative acknowledges the customer frustration, empathize with their experience, and offers a personal solution, resulting in a positive resolution and improved customer relationship. The understanding customer needs. Example, a software company conducts in-depth marketing research and identifies that small business owner struggles with time management. In response, the company develops a user-friendly productivity tool specifically tailored to address their needs, allowing the business owners to efficiently organize their tasks to boost the productivity. Let's see how the marketing campaigns in real matters. Examples of successful persuasion strategies used in real-world sales and marketing. As you know, everywhere marketing and advertising, few of them, let us see. Political campaign example, join us for better future. See, our policies have transformed families' lives. Vote for us in upcoming elections and be part of the progress. Next one, software subscription example. Upgrade to your premium plan and unlock endless possibilities. Join 1 million users who have revolutionized their productivity. Take your work to next level. and never look back. An e-commerce example. Only 3 items left. Don't miss this exclusive offer. Buy now and experience the incredible benefits enjoyed by thousands of satisfied customers. And lastly, financial services example. Secure your financial future with expert guidance. Our investment strategies have helped clients grow their wealth and achieve financial independence. Join us, satisfied clients, and start investing today. Innovative strategies. Coming up with the new creative ideas is super important for being successful in sales and marketing. When there is a lot of competition and people preferences change, businesses need to think of fresh and clever ways to get the customers interested and meet their sales goals. Being innovative and sales and marketing is really valuable because it helps companies to stay ahead and stand out from the competitors and attract and keep loyal customers. By using new strategies, technologies, and ideas, companies can find new opportunities, make customers feel great about their product and services, and make more money and gain more customers. In today's fast-changing business world, companies that don't come up with the new ideas in sales and marketing risk falling behind, while those that do have a big advantage. Example of innovative strategies applied by successful companies. Amazon's focus on providing great customer experiences through personalized recommendations and speedy delivery has helped them become a successful e-commerce giant. Tesla's game-changing approach of creating stylish electric cars with a strong brand identity has shaken up the automotive industry and won a large customer base. Leveraging digital channels. According to the Forbes advisor, 77% of businesses use social media to approach customers in 2022. Digital channels have greatly influenced sales and marketing by providing new ways of business to connect with the customers. You all know about it, how they reach out to you. Having an online presence is crucial because it helps companies to establish their brand, display products, and earn customers' trust. Social media platforms play a big role in boosting sales and marketing success. They allow business to directly engage with the customers, learn from data, and create personalized marketing. Social media's wide reach helps business to become the more visible and attract potential customers. Successful organizations like Amazon, Nike, and Glossier have effectively used digital platforms to achieve great results. For example, Nike worldwide marketing and sales of footwear with nearly 150 million followers on Instagram and 35 million followers in Facebook. Nike is killing the social media game. Nike never shies away from the supporting worthy social causes. Nike knows how to engage the crowd and inspire millions by highlighting different athletes and culture all over the world. Hello, my dear listeners. I have an important message just for you. Inside you, there is an amazing power waiting to be set free. It doesn't matter if it's in your job or personal life. The key to having a best life possible is by doing something. Remember this saying, success doesn't last forever and failure isn't at the end. What really matters is having a bravery to keep going. So, believe in your dreams. Step out of your comfort zone and go after your goals with all your strength. With hard work, determination, and being open to learning from both victories and setbacks, you can achieve incredible things. Today is the day to let your inner passion shine brightly. Start a journey to discovering yourself, growing, and achieving remarkable things, this is the time to act, unlock your unlimited, precious potential is now.